Hi guys, NCWQ here. Today is 10/1/2019. This video is the earthquakes for California from midnight until 5 p.m. East Coast time and 2 p.m. West Coast time. We'll start with the 2.5 Central California. This is a little housing area here. You can see it's kind of hilly. This right here is the San Andreas Fault that runs through here, and that's San Juan Bautista over here. Our next earthquake was a 2.4 Central California. See what looks like a little cow pond there. And this is near Junction Ranch and Fossil Falls Campground Recreation Site. Next earthquake was a 2.0 Central California. You can tell this is also looking to be a hilly area. Looks like an area where sand is taken from. And this is near Coso Peak. The next earthquake was a 2.8 Southern California. This is Victory Outreach over here. Johula Valley. The next earthquake was a 3.6 Southern California. And then some cool airplanes on the ground here. So it looks like we have an airport maybe. Our next earthquake was a 2.2 Southern California. We have a road running through here. And this is Cerros Valley. We also have what looks like a little line going on here. The next one was a 2.1, same area. And this is also Cerros Valley. I'm still not sure what that is. The next earthquake was a 2.3, Southern California. Really mountainous here. That's next to where the 2.2 occurred. And this is Anza Bering Desert State Park Visitor Center is right here. That's Hellhole Palms. And then we have what I call the foot, which is Salton Sea. The next earthquake was a 2.5, Southern California. This is over here running in between the San Andreas. And this is Whitewater Preserve Visitor Center down here. And quite mountainous. We can show that that's the San Andreas here. So we'll turn around. And follow it. And it will go off over there. So that's San Andreas running through here. And you have this one here. Our next one is a 2.7, Southern California. And this is Fish Rocks here. And of course, Searles Valley's over here. Our next earthquake was a 2.2, Southern California. And just remember I go backwards on this. So the last one is actually the first one for today, and the first one is the last one for today. And this is, I believe it's Box Canyon here, and then you have Coyote Canyon here. And there was also a 2.3 in that same area. Next earthquake was a 2.0, Southern California. And that's Black Mountain Wilderness over here, I believe. Yeah, Black Mountain Wilderness is over there. And then you have Kramer Junction is here. Next one was a 2.3, San Francisco Bay Area. And this one appears to be in a housing area. I always find this cool. That's the Wonderkind Corporation here. Let me do a little tilt so y'all can see that this is. Let me do this. Hang on. I think this is cool. Whenever you get this into 3D, it's really cool. And that's Doherty Hills here. Rancho San Ramian Community Park's there. Then you have Del Mar Dog Park, off leash and open over here. The next one was a 2.9, and it was within the same area, which is over here. So it's on the other side of Wonderkind Corporation. The next one was a 2.1, Southern California. This is back here in our swarm area. This is near Ridgecrest. So you have Ridgecrest is here, and it's over here. And then you have Searles Valley here. The next one was a 3.5. It was offshore, Northern California, up San Andreas. You can see San Andreas is there. So when we back out, this is the line for the San Andreas running through here. So we go down and follow this one, and it'll match up with the line here for the San Andreas, and that is a right lateral strike slip fault. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and much love.